Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. If you're like my family who doesn't enjoy fruit-based pie that much, then try this Butterfinger Cream Pie. It has Butterfinger bites, creamy peanut butter filling, and chocolate ganache on top. Nothing which you can say no to. I received these Butterfinger bites complimentary in my autumn walks box from influenster recently, and I thought to create something with that and thought to share it with you guys today. Let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe with Bismillah. First we'll make our chocolate ganache so it will cool down before we make our filling. For that I'm adding semi-sweet chocolate chip in a mixing bowl with heavy whipping cream and take it to the stove where I am already boiling water in a saucepan. Just simmer the water and then put this bowl on top and start mixing until chocolates are completely melted and mixed through with the whipping cream. This method is called double boiler method. So when your chocolate is completely melted and mixed through, just take this bowl out, and now we'll put this on the side and go and make our filling. And for the filling, I'm taking a large mixing bowl and I'll add a cream cheese in there. Make sure your cream cheese is softened and it stayed on a room temperature for a while. Then adding creamy peanut butter in there, and with the electric mixture start mixing until the cream cheese and the peanut butter are completely mixed through. Now just scrape the sides with the help of spatula. Now I'm adding some vanilla essence and powdered sugar in there, which is also called confectioner sugar. Just start mixing on a very low speed. We don't want the sugar cloud to go everywhere, and mix until the sugar is completely mixed through. Scrape the sides again. And now it's time to add our Butterfinger bites. I just chopped the Butterfinger bites and adding them in there with the help of spatula. Just fold in with your mixture, and now I'm adding a tub of Cool Whip. Mix everything well until everything is completely mixed through. Now our filling is ready. Just put the filling on the side, and it's time to talk about our base. Today I'm using store-bought Oreo pie crust, but you can use any chocolate flavor pie crust or any graham cracker pie crust for that matter. Just pour the filling, spread the filling evenly, and just smooth the top. And now it's time to add our topping, which we already made, our chocolate ganache, which should be at room temperature up till now, and start pouring from top. So now if you want, you can cover your whole pie with your chocolate ganache, but what I was thinking that I will leave a little bit of pie filling peeking through. So with the help of this spoon, from the back of this spoon, I just start pushing it like this, so the ganache will drip down and some of the pie filling are still peeking through like so. I already chopped some more Butterfinger bites, so I'm just topping it off with that, and now put it in the fridge until it's completely cooled down for at least 4 to 6 hours. And here your creamy Butterfinger pie is ready to serve. As you have seen, it's so easy, quick, and it's a no big pie. Even if you want to make your own pie crust, you can just crush some Oreos, add butter, and just put it in the fridge. You don't need to bake it. And if you are trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.